Today, we're going to talk about a very special NFT. Today's NFT that we're going to talk about is called Assassin Bear Squad. This is their website, assassinbear.com. I'm going to put the link of this particular website in the description below on my video. You can go check it out from there. And I absolutely love this particular NFT. And I'm not a financial advisor. I want to say that right now. This is my personal opinion. I've been going through a lot of NFTs. I'm in the industry for quite a long time now, and I know exactly what is going to blow out of the water. I absolutely feel that this particular NFT has the potential to blow every single other NFT out of the water. Now, this is the Assassin Bear Squad Phase 2. They've finished Phase 1 already, and this is the Billionaire Bears Club. And this is a limited edition 3D Billionaire Bear. And the bears have turned their wild nature into the world of business, successfully turned it upside down, and earned their place in society. And the whitelist pre-sale event only opens to the Assassin Bear Squad ABS, which is the abbreviation for them, for the NFT minters. And the whitelist mint is going to be on the 2nd of February 2022 at 7 a.m. in 1 day and 20 hours and 31 minutes and 56 seconds. So basically, there are 999 limited 3D Billionaire Bears with a 50% discount to Assassin Bear Squad minters to join the whitelist mint at an Assassin Bear Squad for 0.03 Ethereum by 28th of January. I want to mention this right now. If you're thinking of buying this particular NFT, they are available on the OpenSea. Please make sure you go to their official website, which I've given you right now, which is in the description below. You can click it from there and go there to their website and check this information out. And the mint ABS bear is going to be 0.03, and you can join the whitelist with the Billionaire Bear Club public mint, which is going to be on the 2nd of February 2022 at 7 a.m. with 999 NFTs, which is going to be available for the whitelist mint at 0.08 Ethereum, and the public mint is going to be 0.16 Ethereum. I want to mention this right now. Obviously, this price is quite low at this moment in time. The potential that this particular NFT has, that this particular team has created, obviously with their marketing strategy, with the amount of creativity and attention to detail that they put into the bears, I personally feel that every single NFT is gonna be lesser than them, and they will literally gonna be the big new thing in the NFT market. The Assassin Bear Squad is an international company of killer bears with particular abilities working to keep their roles safe. It's time to turn the tables on the human hunters. And obviously, like I mentioned before, the whitelist finishes on the 28th of January. This is their mint page over here. You can go over there and check it out. And as you scroll down, I want to mention something very important right now, that the ABS and the Bearcat Studio and the Pixel Cat collaboration over here is very important. So when you buy an Assassin Bear Squad NFT, you get the same number of Pixel Cat NFT for free. And I feel this is a huge thing. That is, you are getting a discount, and you're making sure that you get more than what you have bargained for. And obviously, this is available on OpenSea with the Pixel Cat collection and OpenSea. You can click on the link over here, and obviously, this will take you to the OpenSea with a link, and you can buy your Bearcat Studio, and you can buy your bear, and you get the same number of cat NFTs from there. As you scroll down the website, I feel that this is one of the best websites that I've done a review for when it comes to NFT. The amount of creativity that they've shown is absolutely amazing. I want to mention what they've mentioned over here right now, which I feel is very important. The source is Wikipedia, but obviously we're going to take their word for it. Bears have been hunted since prehistoric time for their meat and fur. They have been used for bear baiting and other forms of entertainment, such as being made to dance. With their physique, they have played a prominent role in arts, mythology, and other cultural aspects of various human societies. In modern times, bears have come under pressure through their encroachment on their habitats and illegal trade in bear parts. It's time to take a stand. It's time to turn the table on the human hunters. And as you can see, that they have created this personality, this character for this particular bear, and I feel that character and that personality is what sets it apart. With 4,444 bear assassins and 999 billionaire bear clubs, and obviously these bears are going to be the next big thing in the industry for NFTs. Then the best place to get proper, reliable information is going to be their Twitter and their Discord. And you click on their Twitter over here, it's going to take you to their Twitter page. And obviously, I am already following their Twitter page. There are 5,556 followers on their Twitter. As you scroll down, you will see the amount of active information that is coming and the amount of information they're giving to all their followers to make sure that they have up-to-date information. So exactly, they're engaging all their followers, they're engaging everyone that is interested in this particular Assassin Bear Squad NFT. And I personally feel that you should definitely follow their Twitter page, because that is the main place that you're going to get reliable information about the ABS, the Assassin Bear Squad. When you go back over here, their Discord is the other place which is very important. Now, obviously, I want to mention this right now. Whenever you're thinking about any single NFT, make sure you follow them on Twitter and you follow and join their Discord, because that is where you will only get the reliable information from about that NFT. This is their Discord, and obviously they have 9,666 members and they have 291 members online right now, which you can message, and this is where you get all the information. You have your important information, your text channels, and you have your voice channels and your important information about the official links, the announcements, their Twitters, their giveaway, their events, and their roadmap. So this is a place where you'll get reliable information. So make sure that you join this particular Discord and know about what information you need to have about the ABS Assassin Bear Squad. As I scroll down on their website, obviously their roadmap is very important. They have 4 phases that they have kept in. They're finished phase 1 with assigning the Assassin membership with 4,444 members, which were allocated in the NFT drop at the price of 0.03 Ethereum, which are open and available on the OpenSea official collection. Please make sure you only buy from their official channel, their official page on OpenSea, not for any other cheap or any other collection which are copying this amazing Assassin Bear Squad. And obviously the second phase we're talking about right now, we have the 999 3D bears with Assassin Bear Squad. Minters get a whitelist of 50% discount with a whitelist price of 0.08. I already mentioned this, that they were going to be available on the 2nd of February 2022 at 7 a.m. with a public mint of 16 Ethereum by the 3rd of Feb. And you can join their whitelist at the Mint ABS Bear, which is the link above. And I've already given you the information that if you have not checked their website out, you can always go to my description, check them out. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any of my updates when it comes to universities, when it comes to NFTs, when it comes to information that will actually help you. And please share these videos on Facebook and with your friends and family on WhatsApp so more people can know about these particular amazing NFTs. And the third phase is going to be the Billionaire Bear breeding game, which is going to be a trading game based on the breeding bears. Dedicated website is going to be there, and a mobile app is going to be there. And the bear market will allow trading on the OpenSea market trading with the Billionaire Bear Club's buyers get 2 free breeders. And the fourth phase is going to be the Billionaire Bear World, where 4,444 3D 8K homes for billionaire bears are going to be, from penthouses to private islands, built in a 3D world complete with yachts, helicopters, and Ferraris. And you know what, guys, bears love Ferraris. So obviously that is something that's going to be absolutely amazing. So make sure you get on board right now with this price, because this will literally blow every single other NFT out of the water. Plus, there's a warning for you guys. Keep that in mind, that don't get played and report fake collections, because cheap humans make counterfeits. So watch your back and check the official channels, which I've mentioned a lot already. And if you want to make sure that you actually get the proper information and you want to know about the right NFT to invest in, you need to meet the team. The team is very important. This particular team is absolutely amazing. They have experience in the crypto world. They have experience in the NFT. They have done this before. They know what strategy to keep, what strategy to make, and what strategy to implement to make sure that their NFT is actually the next best thing in the NFT industry. You have Boss Bear, you have Mary, you have Sue, you have Mehdi, you have GJ, you have Jack, you have Rocky, Angelo, and you have Thomas and Jonathan. These are bears that have potential, that have worked before, that have made NFTs before, that have been in the industry. There are people that have been working within the cryptocurrency in the metaverse, and obviously they are creating things which will actually have a mark and on this industry. You have your moderators over here that are working around the clock to make sure, obviously, that every single person gets the information. You have your UK moderators, you have USA moderators, Canada, Europe, India, Middle East, South America, Russia, Australia, Asia. They have covered literally the world. So obviously this shows you the amount of effort these guys have put in to make sure they give you the proper and reliable information. You can always contact them. You can email them at hello@assassinbearsquad.com, and you can always mention the educational network. Please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to actually hit the bell icon so you do not miss any of my videos. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.